Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here we have a printer, Epson printer with model L120 with problem blinking caused by something wrong with the paper loader unit. The warning on the screen is paper jam. This means that the paper loader of this printer cannot pull paper from the paper tray. To fix this problem, we must disassemble the printer case so we can access any components on the paper tray. There is a paper sensor, there is loader devices, and also of course we can access the printer mainboard. Look at this paper sensor lever, they're not in the correct position. Of course we must make this lever back to the correct position. Look at this. This tool have broken. This is the axle. The axle of this lever has been damaged. So, brother, of course we can fix this printer by replace this paper sensor lever by the new one, but we can repair this by replace the axle of this lever. And here we change this axle using the small iron. Or you can try to change this using the other small component. The point is that we can return this axle to its original state, so this lever can return to the correct position. And now you can see here this lever working well. The axle in the correct position like this. Okay, so we can try to running the printer. And now the printer working again. Try to printing a file. Okay brother, this printer working again in the normal condition. I hope this will useful. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.